here's one key pronunciation rule you were likely never taught at school. The letters D, S and T can all be pronounced two ways in Irish, and it all depends on whether they have a broad vowel or a slender vowel beside them. If they have a broad vowel, it's going to be normal, sharp pronunciation, but if they have a slender vowel, they're going to take a slurred, soft pronunciation. So how does this actually work? Well, let's look at the letter D, for instance. If I say for me, I'd say dum. So it's on a broad vowel, on an O, therefore nothing changes, normal D pronunciation. But what about the word for difficult? In that case, it's on a slender vowel, an E, so it's going to be jacker, jacker. So it's almost like a J pronunciation, a slurred, soft version because of the type of vowel that's on the letter D. Same thing then for S, the word for salt is solemn, so normal sharp pronunciation, solemn. But if I said the word for this, I'd say sh, sh. Now I'm elongating it there to make the point. Normally it would just be sh, sh. So kind of like an SH sound in English. Lastly, the T, if we use the verb to be, for example, we could say thaw. So normal thaw, T pronunciation. But the word for sick is going to be chin, chin. So almost like a CH pronunciation. Few small things to remember. In Munster, they lean more towards the sharp pronunciation, even if it's got a slender vowel. You hear this a lot with the pronunciation of sh and shin. It'll be so and son, and that'll be done for a lot of different words. As well as that, if you're worried about whether you have maybe a slender letter after and then a broad vowel before, don't worry, that can't happen because of the golden rule of Irish spelling, quail a quail, Latin la Latin, which means the last vowel of one syllable will always match the type of vowel in the next syllable. Think about it for any words, wherever you have a broad vowel, the next syllable or the next part of the word will also have a broad vowel. This is key for a lot of different things in the language. One of the big ones is for the plural, especially words ending with S. If I take this word, it means present. This word means presence. But how is it going to be pronounced differently? Well, in the first version, the S is going to be sharp, bruntanis. The second version, it's going to be soft, bruntanish. The DST rule, you might not have known it, now you do.